If you've lost access to your Xbox account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you gain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Visit the Xbox account recovery page. Go to the official Xbox account recovery website. This page is designed to help users regain access to their accounts by verifying their identity through alternative methods. Step 2. Enter your account information. Input your Xbox account email or phone number associated with the account. Make sure the information is accurate to ensure a smooth recovery process. Step 3. Select I don't have access to these. When prompted for verification codes, choose the option indicating that you do not have access to the verification methods listed. This will guide you to alternative recovery options. Step 4. Answer security questions. If you set up security questions during your account setup, you will be prompted to answer them. Provide the correct answers to verify your identity. If you don't remember the answers, you may need to follow additional instructions provided. Step 5. Follow the instructions sent to your recovery email. If you successfully verify your identity, Microsoft will send recovery instructions to your registered email. Follow these instructions carefully to reset your password and regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to recover your Xbox account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.